Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to turn on Find My Mac. So Find My Mac allows you to locate your Mac from the Find My app. And to enable this and use this feature, just click on Apple logo at top left corner of the screen, then click on System Settings option. Now in the left side panel, click on your name at the top and then click on iCloud option. Within this page, click on See All Right to Saved to iCloud and then Find My Mac option and click on it. Now you will see turn on option right here if it is disabled. So just click on it, enter your password, verify your identity and enable both the option Find My Mac as well as Find My Network. After enabling, also make sure location access is allowed to Find My, and to check this one, within the left side panel, scroll down and click on privacy and security option. Then go to location services and turn on the toggle right to Find My. Once you check both the things, open Spotlight search and search for Find My. Now open the Find My app and within the devices section, you can find your Mac's location. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.